I'm about to change my entire life. This is episode 1 of Glow Up and Grow Up, a series where I will be changing everything about my life that I am not currently head over heels in love with, and that is a lot of it. That is most, if not all of it. Yesterday I was sitting on the couch doing my regular doom scroll when I realized that I just don't want to do that anymore. I'm bored. I'm bored of it. It's the same shit over and over every single day, sitting on my ass, staring at my phone, getting a headache because of the blue light or whatever. So there are 5 main areas that I want to target throughout this series. Number 1 being my physical spaces, like my bedroom and my bathroom. Number 2 is my mental spaces. I want to make my head a better place to be because I spend a lot of time in there. Number 3 is my health. I have not been prioritizing that, and Lord knows I need to. Number 4 is my YouTube. Like, I want YouTube to be my thing, and then I just don't post for 5 months. And number 5 is my self-care / hygiene / beauty. Let's get into the details. There is a ton of stuff that I need to do, especially in my physical spaces. I need to do some crazy deep cleaning, insane decluttering, and a lot of reorganizing. Now, the category for my mental space is just about things that take up a lot of space in my brain that I tend to overthink, and also for my mental health. So things like lowering my screen time, journaling, meditation. Number 3, my health habits, of which I currently have none. I want to exercise, I'd say 3 to 5 times a week. I also want to eat healthy, home-cooked meals. I definitely need to stop eating out. I also want to lose some weight. Also, just as a side note, I did technically already start on a couple of these things, like the teeth whitening and the weight loss. However, I'm still including them in the series because it's still part of the glow up and they're not done yet. Number 4, my YouTube channel. Here's the thing, guys. I sincerely apologize for all of my disappearances, but I can guarantee from this point forward, I'm not gonna do that anymore. I am going to upload a video every single Friday because I know that I have the time to do that. Like, I don't have a regular job. I don't have a job. I hope to make YouTube my job. I don't go to school. I literally spend 24/7 at home doing nothing productive, nothing gainful, nothing meaningful. I turned 21 this year, and my entire life so far has just been this. Like, girl, grow up. And number 5, my self-care, hygiene, beauty section. This one honestly might be the biggest. I have a lot of notes in here. I need to wash my hair at least 3 times a week because that's just the rate at which my hair gets dirty. Guys, sidebar, hair training is not real. You cannot train your hair to get dirty less often. That's not a thing. Wash your hair when it's dirty. Please. Because y'all look kind of ridiculous. Next, I'm going to be sure to wash my face and brush my teeth and do my skincare twice a day, every single day. When nighttime comes around, I'm always like, oh, but I'm so tired. I also want to whiten my teeth. Now, my teeth are pretty sensitive, and I already have the 3D white strips from Crest, and they work very, very, very well. I can only do it every other day. Gotta be careful, gotta take it slow, but you know what? They're still getting whiter, and they look great so far. Guys, I'm gonna be honest about something. I can't remember the last time I washed my bed sheets. Actually, I can because I just bought them. So I washed them before I put them on my bed when I bought them. But that was before Christmas. Today is January 11th. So I put on here that I need to wash my bed sheets and my laundry once a week because my clothes are never clean. Like, I wear clothes every single day and they're just always getting dirty again. And that stresses me out. And I want to grow out my hair and my nails so bad. In the last video I made, I still had long hair. And then I made a stupid decision that I deeply regret to cut my hair short to about here. But I did it myself at home. But then it was kind of uneven. This side was longer than this side. And so I went to Great Clips to get it evened out. And then she made it this way with the right side longer than this side. And I was like, oh, well, that's not what I wanted. So I went somewhere else, somewhere that I used to go all the time. And she fucked me up. Like, if I didn't know any better, I would have thought that it was personal. It's horrendous, which is why the top half of my hair is going to be up for the unforeseeable future. Because she gave me layers and curtain bangs. Why do you think they're clipped back? Because they look like shit. But at least this gives me the opportunity to make sure that my hair grows out shiny and healthy and perfect. And my nails. Don't even get me started on my nails. I just spent $300 at Olive in June. Everything that I need, the builder gel set, to grow my nails out nice and strong and beautiful. Now, not all of these goals have like an end date or something that would signify it being accomplished. A lot of them are just creating new habits that I want to keep going indefinitely, really. But for the ones that do have end dates / accomplishments, I want them to be done by 2027, at least. Maybe earlier, because again, I've been living my entire life just so unhappy, and I'm finally ready to feel better.